Hi there, unbox with me this instant pressure cooker. It's from Ramtons, as you can see. Am I the only one who gets excited about new appliances? Because let me tell you mine. I've been eyeing this specific cooker for quite some time.
It comes with a power cord, or rather a power cable. As you can see, on the touchpad there are a variety of foods that it can cook.
And actually it's an LED display when it's switched on. The lid has an automatic pressure valve, as you can see.
The inner rubber part can be removed easily, so there's no trouble when it comes to cleaning. It comes with a spatula, a measuring cup, and an oil collector.
This is great when you're using the steaming option on the cooker.
For example, when you're cooking sweet potatoes, sweet corn, or arrowroot.
It comes with a removable non-stick pot,
so that when it comes to cleaning there are no struggles.